Good morning, students. Welcome in the Gurukul online classes. Today, I want to discuss with you about factors and multiple. This is the third chapter of your mathematics. Let me tell you about factors. A factor is a number which divide another number without leaving any remainder. Let me repeat. A factor is a number which divide another number without leaving any remainder. For example, आपके पास एग्जाम्पल हैं. आप सपोज 12 divided by 4. You know well, answer is 3. And you know well, according to this, 12 divided by 4, 3s are 12. This is okay. No remainder. Similarly, 15 divided by 5, no remainder. It means 4 is the factor of 12 and 5 will be the factor of 15. And one more thing about the factor is there. This is 1 is the factor of every number. Number 2, 1 is the smallest factor. And which one is the largest factor? The number itself. The given number itself is the largest factor. So this is about factor. A factor is a number which divide another number without leaving any remainder. I gave you some example. This is example number 1, 12 divided by 4, 15 divided by 5. Basically, this 4 and 5 both are the factor of 12 and 15. But one more thing is there. The number itself is the largest factor of given number. Let me give you one or two more example. How I may explain these words. How I can make you understand about this word कि number itself is the factor of given number. Let me rub it. Let me rub this. Okay. Suppose this is the example. Factors of 10. Yes, 1. I told you 1 is a factor of every number. 2, yes, this is divisible by 2 also. Then 5 and 10 itself. It means smallest factor of every number is always 1. And largest factor, yes, smallest factor. Smallest factor of every number is 1. And the largest factor of number is itself. Okay. So largest factor of this number is 10 itself and smallest factor is 1. Now let me tell you something about multiples. Let me tell you about multiple now. Now I am going to rub this multiple. multiple. multiples, it is obtained by multiplying given number with natural number as 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. Suppose find out the multiple of 7. Then 7 multiply by 1, 7. 7 multiply by 2, 14. 7 multiply by 3, 21, etc. Like this. Yes, मल्टीपल मीन्स टेबल्स. आपके पेरेंट्स आपसे बोलते हैं कि आपको 20 तक, अप टू 20 तक के टेबल आपको आने चाहिए. बेसिकली व्हाट दे आर सेइंग यू इन द लैंग्वेज ऑफ मैथमेटिक्स, वो मल्टीपल्स की ही बात कर रहे हैं बेटा. बेसिकली टेबल्स क्या हैं, वो मल्टीपल्स ही होते हैं. तो बेटा अभी मैंने आपको बताया है दिस इज़ अबाउट फैक्टर्स एंड मल्टीपल. ये आपको फैक्टर मल्टीपल बताया. नाउ लेट मी डिस्कस विद यू विद द सेम चैप्टर factors and multiple. A point is there about prime numbers. What is prime number? A number having two factors. A number with two factors means a number which is divisible by itself or by 1. Okay? A number which is divisible by 1 and itself called prime number, are called prime numbers. Example: 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17 and so on. These are the number, they are prime. Your first prime number is 2. This is your first prime number. First prime number. This is your first prime number, 2. About the factor, I told you a number which is divisible by 1 or itself. So these are the number, they are divisible by 1 or itself. They have only two factors. That's why they are called such type of number. They are prime numbers. Okay? Such type of number, they are prime number. तो आपको एक काम करना चाहिए. You must make a prime number chart. In that you can do. आप क्या करें? एक शीट लें, ड्राइंग शीट. You may divide that drawing sheet 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is 9, 10. Means 10 columns and 10 rows. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is 6, 7. 6, 7. This is 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is 9 and 10. Yes, you may write counting in that. You may start your counting from 1 and this is 100. Right here up to 100 and choose which numbers are prime in nature. ठीक है, आप क्या करें, उसको हाईलाइट करें विद द हेल्प ऑफ हाईलाइटर. आप हाईलाइटर की मदद से उसको हाईलाइट करें कि कौन से नंबर प्राइम नंबर्स हैं. तो दिस इज़ अ वेरी गुड एक्टिविटी आल्सो. तो आपने बेटा इसको करना है. दिस इज़ अ वेरी गुड एक्टिविटी. नाउ लेट मी टेल यू अबाउट कंपोजिट नंबर. लेट मी रब नाउ. This is composite number. Composite number. Numbers having more than two factors. Numbers having more than two factors are called composite number. Numbers having more than two factors are called composite numbers. Okay, more than two factor means by one, by itself, and by some another number. Okay, just I'm giving you example. This is 4. This is divisible by 1, divisible by 2, and itself 4. 3 factors are there. That's why this number is composite in nature. So let me write some composite number now. Your first composite number is 4, then 6, then 8, then 9, then 12, then 14, then 15, and so on. These are the numbers. All have more than two factors. That's why these numbers are composite number. ये composite number हैं. तो आपने जो एक चार्ट बनाया है प्राइम नंबर, तो आप प्राइम नंबर को चूज़ कर लेंगे. बाकी सब नंबर जो बच्चे आएंगे वो क्या होंगे? दे आर कंपोजिट नंबर्स. तो आप इसको चार्ट में आपने हाईलाइट किया किसको? प्राइम नंबर्स को. तो बाकी जो बचा दिस इज कंपोजिट नंबर. नाउ लेट मी डिस्कस अबाउट प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन. दिस इज द डेफिनेशन ऑफ प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन. अ कंपोजिट नंबर कैन बी शोन as the product of prime factors. Let me repeat, a composite number can be shown as the product of prime factors. Means to say, इसमें जितने भी factors हैं they all are prime and the product is a composite number. We are using two methods to solve this type of problem. Number one, there are two methods. There are two methods, beta, to solve such problems. Method कौन से हैं बेटा? Number one method is factor tree method. फैक्टर ट्री मेथड. कौन सा मेथड? फैक्टर ट्री मेथड. लेट मी टेक वन एग्जाम्पल. एग्जाम्पल इज देयर. दिस इज 24. अकॉर्डिंग टू फैक्टर ट्री मेथड आई कैन राइट हियर 2, हियर 12. once again this is 2 and this is 6. once again this is 2 and this is 3. So this is 2, 2, 2 and 3. 2, 2, 2 and 3. ये आपके पास है कौन सा मेथड? ये है आपके पास फैक्टर ट्री मेथड. तो लेट मी राइट नाउ फैक्टर्स ऑफ 24. This is 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. Okay, this is factor tree method to show prime factorization. And second method is division method. Let me rub now for division method. Yes, this is division method. Division method. in this. Once again, example is there. Same 24, मैंने दोबारा से 24 ले लिया, ठीक है. Let me complete now with prime factorization in division. 2, this is 12, then 2, this is 6, 2 6 जा 12, 2, this is 3, तो this is 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. ओके, तो आप यहाँ लिखेंगे बेटा फैक्टर्स ऑफ 24 इक्वल टू दिस वन. तो दिस इज डिवीजन मेथड. ओके, अभी आपको मैंने बताया प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन मेथड. इन प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन मेथड हम क्या करते हैं, अ गिवन नंबर इज देयर, तो हम उस गिवन नंबर को प्राइम फैक्टर्स के प्रोडक्ट के साथ शो करते हैं with the product of, we are showing this number with the product of prime factor, and these all are prime factors. 2, 2, 2 and 3, these all are prime factors.